Hello ladies and gentlemen and welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well. I want to start my analysis, daily analysis, and I start with NASDAQ. As I told you and I analyzed and predicted yesterday, I told you that it could be a kind of pullback for the downtrend, and we have seen it was just a pullback, and I told you that we might see the price in the trading range like this, and finally it happened. I have determined this zone for you, and I told you it can act as a support. And when you take a look at the market in 1 hour, you can see it works well, and we had some reaction. And all right, but what I expect for tomorrow, we should, consider and wait for this trading range, because now we are in the trading range. You can see this line acts as resistance and this line support. If we have, strong breakout from this zone and pullback, we could see, and we might see 12,000 soon. But first of all, we have some correction here, maybe to the point of 12,500 due to being a kind of round number here and historical support. But what I expect would be, bearish trend up to these zones. It might take some, um, maybe days, but we could see these zones easily and soon. All right. At the same time, we want to talk about Dow Jones. I told you that after this bearish trend, it worked as something like a pullback, and I told you that this zone is very important, and it can act as resistance now, because it was a kind of support for the price, and we have seen today it really happened. And what I expect for tomorrow would be these zones. It might be 33K or 33,000 very soon, and we might see, we should see, and we should consider the market and follow the price, whether we are going to have breakout of this zone. If we have breakout, we could go for 32, the next support. Otherwise, we might see that the price is just consolidating here, and we have the price between these two lines for some days. And finally, if you take a look at this, item, Dow Jones, you can see it is also like a trading range in 4-hour and daily market, and we should see what will happen. So you can see these zones are acting as resistance, and this zone support. So we should see and wait for these zones like 33 first, and then 32,000, to see that we are going to have any reaction or not. All right, this is the way you should act and consider market for tomorrow. And let's go to the gold. For gold today, market was not that much powerful, and we didn't have any strong reactions. But what I told you, that we had a breakout from this zone, and this zone acted as a kind of support. What I expect for next days would be breakout of this zone, and then after that pullback to this zone, then we are going to have downtrend for gold. If we have any pullback to this line, so we are going to have trading range for some days here, and then we are going to see this zone soon. All right. And about the crypto traders and the leader of market, Bitcoin, I can tell you, at the moment of speaking, this is the end of, market in the United States and in New York. And you can see it was, bearish, as I told you in previous videos. You could go and watch, and I told you that we might see, bearish trend, and the support, the other support it has would be 37,000. So we might have, trading range tomorrow as well, but we might go for short tomorrow. We should wait to see that this line is going to act as support or resistance. That my expectation would be resistance, because it's a strong, engulfing candle, and we might see the same size up to here maybe, and then some days for trading range. And the other parts for Bitcoin, we should consider the market, and I'm going to let you know by tomorrow. You should follow me every day. I have something important to tell you, and the ways I use is just price action trading. I have chosen the items I myself trade every day, and today was profitable for myself. Okay, thank you one more time for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I might, post some videos during the day, and I'll let you know about the, circumstances, available opportunities available in the market for buy and sell to take the profit together. Thank you one more time, and bye.